Hello guys, the futures are looking bloody red today, indicating that we will see another day of sell-off. But nonetheless, we can still see a few trades that are gaining steam in the midst of all this sell-off. So let's take a look what is making these two plays move higher today. We are going to be looking primarily into XSPA Group and Castor Maritime Shipping today. This is pre-market, so the market has not yet opened yet, and I want to put these two plays on your radar for today because these two plays could potentially see heavy trading today and some profits to be made. So before we dive in, if you enjoy watching my videos, show me some love down below, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment. The first one is Castor Maritime. It has been announcing that it will be expanding its fleet this year, meaning they will buy and lease more dry bulk shipping, and also they're moving into oil tankers. Now this year shipping rates have been going through the roof, meaning that also Castor Maritime's profits are going through the roof, and it's only logical for them to expand their fleet and capitalize on those gains, meaning they could see if the rates are holding, and if they are going to be going higher, they are also going to move higher with them, because the more ships they have, the more profits they are going to capture this year. Now this is primarily happening because there are not enough containers in China to move all the goods throughout the world. All the people are ordering a lot of stuff because we are locked down and so on, and we are looking on the internet to see what we like and to get some good deals, meaning we are ordering more from China and everywhere else, and that is causing container problems, and also infrastructure plans all over the world are a lot of building we're seeing. So all of these factors together are having a big impact on shipping rates, and it's pushing them higher. Now there is another factor with Castor Maritime. They are being heavily discussed on Wallstreetbets, like we have seen in some other place. That could make stock jump very high. Last time we were talking about sandal growers on a similar note, and because they were mentioned on Wallstreetbets and they gained attention, they jumped from $1 all the way up to $5. Now Castor Maritime is today trading at around 90 cents at pre-market at the time of recording this, but if it breaks that $1 mark, it could go all the way to $2. If it breaks $2, because that was the previous high, it could go to $3 or $4. So keep it on your radar and see what it does. If it breaks $1 mark, it could be a good indication to start a position all the way up to $2, and then you watch what it does on that break. Will it reverse down or will it break? The next one is XSPA Group. In the last few days, they have been signing deals with airports and ports all over the place. They have won many deals for its testing facilities for this pandemic stuff, and it looks like that these testing sites will be needed for at least a few years, meaning that their business model could develop even further in the next few years, and who knows what will bring after that. They are primarily gaining money from these testing sites, and with the pandemic looking like it will not go anywhere, these sites will probably be needed everywhere. Now in Europe at the moment we are discussing new additional measures for lockdown in some states and so on, and we have just begun to open, so that could be an indication of more pains to come, and for Expressa Group more gains to be made. So they are trading when we are recording this at $2.30, but this is a former runner. Last year around this time, in similar situation, it went all the way to $9. Now that means it's a runner, but it also means that there are some bags overhead. But like we discussed, it looks like that the pandemic is not going anywhere, so they could be developing a real business model here, and a lot of profits to be made in the time to come. So put it on your watch list, see what it does. If it breaks today $3, it could go all the way to $5. So, and for future, if you see a dip, it could be the place to add more shares and ride it higher, because from the looks of it, they are going to be signing more deals. With every airport deal that they sign, it gives them legitimacy to make new deals, because they're being made known for their product. So more airports, and the bigger airports that they sign, smaller airports are going to be looking up to those airports, and they're going to be taking notes what they're doing, and they're going to be copying them. So it's most likely we will see many more deals being made in the future. So put it on your watch list, put both of these stocks on your watch list for today, because they could see heavy trading today. Both of them are former runners, and both of them have positive catalysts for today. And a lot of traders are looking for these runners, because all of the other market is selling off, and while it might provide other opportunities, they want to make a little money on the side in this place, so that they can move those profits into other places. So good luck today. I hope that we see, like on Friday, a nice V-shaped recovery, so that we see from red back to green, and that we will make some money today. So good day, and see you in the after hours. Bye.